So you are interested in KitchenAid KHB2351CU. No doubt it is a wise choice and it is one of the top 5 hand blenders on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 hand blenders, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the KitchenAid KHB2351CU. The KitchenAid KHB2351CU is a real winner when it comes to sheer specs for the super low price. The 3-speed hand blender lets you blend, crush, chop, puree and whisk. Simply choose the appropriate speed for your ingredients. The chopper attachment is great for processing harder cheeses, nuts and creating graham cracker crusts. The removable 8-inch blending arm locks into the motor body for easy operation when blending in deeper pots. And the soft grip handle offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. The 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with lid is convenient for individual blending jobs, to serve or store for later. That would be all for this video and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.